YouTube channel, and today I'm going to talk about a very feminine topic, but also a topic for men, probably a very well discussed topic about these beauties. Breasts. There are so many different women out there and so many different shapes, and also breast shapes and bigger ones, smaller ones. Our big breasts have always had the image of being very feminine and attractive, sexual. So that's why over the time a lot of women, or always maybe, a lot of women want bigger breasts, and not always you want surgery or anything like that, because it could become complicated. It hurts. It is very expensive, and we at Elaine Perine found a way to enlarge your breasts a little bit in a natural way with, natural ingredients, and it doesn't hurt. It is not it is not expensive at all compared to a surgery. And if you think about having bigger breasts, you should probably try out our push-up cream first. And it is actually one of our best sold products, and I haven't personally tried it out yet, but I really want to, because it is not only for women that want to enlarge their breasts, but also for women who just want to have tighter breast skin and a more firming effect. So that's why it is actually for everyone. But it's important to mention that with our push-up cream, your breasts of course can become as big as if you would have surgery. So it just helps to enlarge your breast a little bit. So let's talk about the ingredients we used for the push-up cream. We have 3 natural ingredients, which are Commipheroline extract. You probably haven't heard of it, that's why I'm going to show you a picture right here. Then we have almond oil, and also one of my favorite ingredients, especially for skin, aloe vera. And then vitamin E. Let's start with Commipheroline extract. The active ingredients in Commipheroline extract act through 2 synergistic reactions. One is favoring the production of fat cells, and at the same time it is limiting the destruction of fat cells. So we have the perfect effect. More fat coming and less fat leaving. Our second ingredient is almond oil, and almond oil is high in fatty acids, minerals, and glycosides. And it also contains vitamins A, B, D, and E to nourish your skin. And because of the vitamin E, the oil has an antioxidant effect. And antioxidants protect vital cell structures by neutralizing free radicals. So pretty much the almond oil has an anti-aging and antioxidant effect. Then we have our third natural ingredient, which is aloe vera. And aloe vera contains a lot of nutrients like minerals, amino acids, and vitamins. Aloe vera is very well known for having healing properties, and it is anti-inflammatory, it is moisturizing, and like I already mentioned, anti-aging. And last but not least, we have vitamin E, which you probably have heard of a lot of times already by now, especially if you watched our videos. And vitamin E protects your skin from damage caused by free radicals. And this is the reason why we use it in a lot of our products. All in all, our push-up cream consists of herbs and plant extracts that have been proven to increase women's breast size by stimulating new fat cell growth in the mammary glands. So definitely worth trying out. And now, all new, we also produced an even more effective way or faster way to maximize your breast size naturally. And we produced the Push Up Advanced Oil. And it is a booster. You can also combine these two, but this is pretty much a booster that is even more high concentrated and therefore more effective. And you probably might wonder, what is the difference between these two, between the push-up cream and the oil? There is not too much difference in the ingredients. They're actually pretty much the same. So in our push-up oil, we added, like the name already says, oils besides the other ingredients. Even though in the push-up cream we already have almond oil, but here we also have coconut oil, jojoba oil, olive oil, and squalane oil. And these different oils have similar effects on your skin actually, and are perfectly working with each other. They promote collagen synthesis. Then they reduce inflammation, keeps your skin moisturized and smooth. They reduce appearance of fine lines, and they are hydrating and antioxidant and give you a youthful glow. I'm actually gonna apply it now. Oh my god, it smells so good. I'm definitely gonna use this one, and I will keep you updated how my breasts feel different. It smells really, really good. I can really recommend it. So these are our push-up products, and I can't wait how you like them. Leave a comment below if you're gonna try it out or already have tried out the push-up cream. These two together work perfectly, and I can't wait to tell you more about our products in the next videos. Feel free to comment, give us a thumbs up, and I would be really happy if you give us a follow as well. See you soon, bye!